Every single time I scroll Pinterest looking at upcycled clothing ideas, I end up staring at old clothes in a completely different way. A faded shirt suddenly looks like a cute tote bag. An oversized jacket starts looking like a boutique makeover project. And old jeans somehow turn into something people would pay way too much money for online. Today, I found some seriously creative clothing upcycle ideas that are clever, beautiful, and honestly inspiring enough to make you want to dig through every closet in your house. Some of these transformations are so good, you can barely believe what the original item even looked like before. I linked the Pinterest board down in the description so you can scroll through all the ideas and patterns for yourself. And I want you to vote in the comments for your favorite project, because once we hit 100 votes, I may recreate the winning idea in my own style right here on Ms. Angela Sawyer. I love videos like this because they prove creativity matters more than having expensive supplies. Sometimes, all it takes is a little imagination, a sewing machine, and refusing to let good fabric go to waste. Now let's get into these amazing upcycled clothing ideas and see which ones deserve a permanent spot on the inspiration board. Today we're taking those ideas and bringing them to life through the magic of upcycling. And I want you to start thinking of every piece of clothing you own a little differently. Before you even cut or sew anything, I want you to know there is a playlist linked in the description with tutorial videos from past projects and even more creative ideas. You can dive into any time you need inspiration or step-by-step guidance. It's like having a little sewing library right at your fingertips, especially when your brain is full of ideas but your hands are not sure where to start. And while you're here, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, because I've got so many more upcycling transformations coming that are going to completely change how you look at old clothes. What I love about upcycling is that it forces you to slow down and see potential instead of waste. That shirt you were ready to donate might become a stylish bag. That stretched out sweater might turn into something cozy and brand new. And those worn out jeans can still have a whole second life waiting in them. There's something powerful about taking what already exists and turning it into something fresh, personal, and completely one of a kind. It's not just sewing, it's storytelling through fabric. And every stitch adds a little more personality to something that was once forgotten. And honestly, the best part is that there are no strict rules here, just creativity, curiosity, and the willingness to try. So as you watch these ideas come together, I want you thinking about what you already have at home that could be your next project, because the inspiration is already around you. You just have to see it differently.